Okay, welcome to Homeschooling with Harriet. Then we will make a start. So today we're looking at two different sounds. So the first sound that we're going to look at is this one, I. And the way we remember that one is fly high. I, fly high. Let's have a go at writing I on our whiteboard. So Alex, ready? I. So we've got I, G, I.
I'm learning about A.
We are also learning about A, but for now we're learning about I. I, G, making I. Okay, let's have a little look. 3, 2, 1. What are we saying? I. Brilliant stuff. Well done, guys. That's excellent.
I.
Yep. Hey, there we go. I. Fantastic. Well done. Okay, so the first word we're going to look at that's got the word I in it is the word might. Might. Now I'm going to tell you how many letters are in there, so I'm going to make it a little bit harder. How many letters are in it, but I'm not going to show you where the I goes. So we've got 5 letters in it, and the word is might, as in I might go there, but I might not. Might. So that's the sound we're looking for, and the word we're looking for is might. I might not. Might. Okay, we'll have a little look then in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What are we saying? Might.
Mighty.
Brilliant stuff, guys. Yeah, you're absolutely right. So you should have I, t. So I, t. That's right, Alex. Thank you very much. Well done. Give yourself a point for that. That's fantastic work. 1 point. 1 point so far.
I think I've got 2.
Okay, here we go. So our next word that we're going to look for is fright. That gave me a fright. Fright. Now, if you're not quite sure,
Can you show us again?
I'll tell you how many letters are in it. So we should have 6 letters in that one. Fright. So listen to the sounds if you're not quite sure. Fright. Fright.
I thought they had to figure it out on their own.
Fright. Fright. Okay, we're going to have a little look then. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What are we saying? Fright. That gave me a fright. Yeah. Guys, well done. That's beautiful handwriting. Well done. Fright. Fantastic stuff. Give yourself a point. That's smashing. Okay, here's our next word then. So our next word is high, as in high, up high. High. Now, I reckon we can do this one without, just with that, I reckon. High. It's in up high. Hang on. No, you've got to write the word, darling.
I don't want to.
Well, you need to write the word. How are we going to spell that one then? High. I. This is our sound. Let's have a little look then in 3, 2, 1. What are we saying? High. Yeah. Brilliant stuff. Well done. High. So you should have I, G, to make high. Excellent. Well done. Give yourself a point. Brilliant stuff. Okay. So we're going to do something slightly different now. Now this, well, sometimes we play the yes-no game, so we are going to play the yes-no game in a minute, but we're going to do something else as well. We're going to do this one, which is called Jumble. So we're going to have a little game called Jumble. Now the word that I'm going to tell you about. I'm not going to tell you what the word is, but I'm going to give you some clues. And the letters in there, we're going to need I in there, but also something else. So let's see if we could work out based on that. And those are all jumbled up, aren't they? That's not right. But there's a clue to this one. So the word is something to do. It's not to do with the daytime. It's not to do with the daytime. That's the first clue. The second clue is this is when it gets dark. Remember, you've got your I sound in there. If you think you've got it, have a go at writing the word down that I'm giving you clues to. It's going to have the I in there. So we know it's when it gets dark, and it's not to do with daytime. If you want one more clue, this is when we go to sleep. Do we think we've got it? My goodness. Let's have a little think. What could that be? Remember, we're going to have our I in there. So we're going to have a look in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What word am I looking for?
Night.
What's the word I'm looking for? Night. Well done, guys. You've got night, so you should have n, I, g to make I, t, night. Very good. Shall we do another one? Okay then. Yeah, let's do our next one. Okay, our next word then. We're going to have a little look then. So, make sure, remember, we're going to have our I in there. Okay, so that word itself, we're going to have an I sound in there. So here comes our next word. Now this one is all to do with things that maybe are quite bright. That's our first clue. It might be quite bright, this one. What could that be? Remember, it's going to have I in there. It's something that's quite bright. Here's a next clue, if you're not quite sure. So first clue is it's something bright. Our next one might be the opposite of dark. The opposite of dark. What could that be? Remember, it's going to have this I in it. Hang on. Okay, and our third clue. So we've had it's the opposite of dark. So our third clue is it might be something that I go and switch on. I might switch on a... What could that be? What's the word I'm looking for? I'm definitely going to have this sound I in there. What am I going to look for? Let's have a look. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What are we saying?
Light.
Show me a board.
Light.
Well done, guys. That's light. Well done. So you've got the word light. Light. Very nice. Well done. Okay, clear your board. We're going to have a look at our second sound, and that's where we'll do our yes-no game. So our second sound is this word just here, this sound, and that is A. So we're going to have a practice at writing A. On your board then, let's practice writing A. And the way we remember that one is A. Snail in the rain. Snail in the rain. A. Let's have a look then. 3, 2, 1. What have we got? A. Excellent stuff. Well done, guys. Yep, absolutely right. Well done. We've got A in there. That's fantastic. Well done. Okay, so let's have a go at writing some words that have got that sound A in it. The first one is going to be rain. So we might see that there might be some rain outside. So I'm going to give you the clues of how many letters are in there. See if you can work it out. Rain. Rain. It is going to rain, but I don't think it will today. Rain. Let's have a little look then in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What are we saying? Rain. Yeah, absolutely right. So you should have that's it, Alex. Ain. Rain. 4 letters. Rain. Brilliant stuff. Clear your board. That's fantastic. Okay, our next word that we're going to look for, our next word is brain. Brain. What's in our heads? A brain. Lots of big brains today. Brain. So you've got 5 letters in that one. So remember, we're going to have that A sound in there. Brain. Brain. Listen to the sound. B-r-ain. Okay, we're going to have a look in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What are we saying? Brain. How are we going to spell that one? Brain. Fantastic, guys. B-r-ain. Excellent. Well done. You're doing so well at this. Okay, shall we do the yes-no game then? So let's have a look. Our first word then. So you're going to tell me yes or no, and if you can, how to spell it on the board. So does this word have our A sound in it? Do we have this sound in there? Our first word is pain. Ouch. I felt some pain.
Is this the yes no game?
So you tell me. Is that yes or no? Pain on your board. Go on then, on your board. And if you can, have a spell of it. Pain. 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 So you tell me yes or no. If that's got the A sound in it, then you write yes. If no, then you write no. And if you want to challenge, how might you spell pain?
How do you spell pain?
We'll have to try and work it out. Listen to the sound. P-A-N. Let's have a little look.
Is it or
So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What are we saying? Yes, absolutely right. Yep, well done. We've got yes, it is. It has got the A sound and the spelling p-ain. P-a-in. Fantastic stuff, guys. Well done. Here's your next word then. Okay, your next word is turn, as in turn around. Does that have an A sound in it? If you think yes, it does, you write yes. If you think no, it doesn't, then you write no. And if you want to challenge, how are we going to spell that word? Turn. Turn. Nurse with a purse. You tell me yes or no. Turn. So yes or no. And if you want to have a go at spelling it, then do. It's Okay, are we going to have a little look then in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What are we saying? Turn? Absolutely right. There's no A in turn, is there?
This is it.
That's right. Turn. Turn. Fantastic. Give yourself a point if you got that right, and a point if you had a go at spelling it as well. That's fantastic stuff, guys. Well done. Okay, our last word then. Our last word, listen to the sound, is train. We went on a train. Yeah. Train. Train. So think about the sounds. Train. 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 How are we going to spell that one then? So has that got an A sound in it? If you think yes it does, then you write yes. If you think no it doesn't, then you write no. And I'm going to have you go at, can you have a go at spelling it? Train then. 5 seconds. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Train. Train. What are we saying? Rain. Train. Let's have a look. Yeah, fantastic stuff. Well done. You're absolutely right. That has got the A sound, and if you're spelling it, rain. Brilliant stuff. Give yourself 2 points, one for spelling it, and one for one for getting that right, and one for having a go at spelling it. So many points. You've got 10 points. Well done.
10.
I know. So we're going to have a little look at our keywords now. Now, these are the keywords in your resource pack. So hopefully you've got those to hand. If you haven't, don't worry. We're going to have a little look at those together now. So most of these keywords have got an A or an I sound in, but there are some that don't, because those are some keywords. So we're going to have a look at this first word. So let's see it together. You going to see this one, Alex? So we're not going to say it yet. We're going to have a look first, and then we're going to break it down. So we've got light, light, ning, light, ning, and our word is lightning. Well done. Lightning. What comes out of the clouds? Well done.
Do you know it's really hot? And I watched them on Netflix.
Yeah, we've watched it about it, haven't we?
Yeah, I've watched them. A tree was on fire from electric.
Well done. So here comes our next word then. So we've got, let's have a little look at it. Let's see if we can break it down if we're not quite sure. So we've got fun, thunder. Well done. So thunder is the sound that makes. Now we've got a big word here. So let's see if we can break that one down if we're not quite sure. So let's see that word first.
I don't actually have to read it silently.
So, all right, sweetie, but don't boast. Here we go. Fun. So we've got thunder. Storm. So we've got storm. Thunderstorm. A thunderstorm. That's what we're looking at today. Brilliant stuff. Let's have a little look at our next word. So our next keyword from our pack is this one. Light. Light. Well done. So something light. Well done.
Something's white.
Here's our next one. Let's have a look at it. So we've got the sounds b, r, I, t. Bright. Bright. Well done.
Miles was talking then.
Okay. We can talk in a bit. So our next word is rain. 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 Our next word is this one just here. Hail. Hail. We're going to talk about what that is in a second. Hail. And then our last word is this one. Explains. So we've got explains. Explains. Well done.
Like
Explains.
Somebody explains what happened.
Yeah, explains what happened or what something means. Now, there are some words in there that are all to do with weather. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put those words in my pile, and then I'm going to try and tell you what one of those words means. And then on your board, you're going to tell me which word I'm talking about. So you should have your resource pack hopefully with you, and those keywords are in there. So I'm going to describe one of these words.
What did you say again?
Okay, so on your board, see if you can work out what it is that I'm talking about. So, this one, don't cheat. This word is the sound that lightning makes. It's the sound that lightning makes. If you're not quite sure, I'll give you a clue. It starts with a f. So it's the sound. So remember, you can always look at your keywords to see how to spell it if you want to, or just have a go. It's the sound that lightning makes. It starts with a th, th, th. It's quite tricky, that one, isn't it? Brilliant. So it starts with a th. It's the sound that lightning makes. It's quite a loud sound as well. Might go like a rumble. Shall we have a look in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? What are we saying?
Thunder.
Thunder. Well done, guys. Well done if you got that. That was tricky, wasn't it? Okay, here's our next one. I'm going to do 3. Okay, so here's our next one. Our next one is a short word, and it's all to do with when water comes out of a cloud. And it starts with a r, r, pitter patter, pitter patter. R, r.
You're tricking us.
I'm not tricking you. It's got 4 letters. What could that be? You might need an umbrella if you go out in this. Let's have a little look then. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What are we saying? Rain. Absolutely right. Well done. It's rain. Well done. So you've got rain. Fantastic. I've stopped counting. I don't know how many points you've got. Somebody is at the door, but that's okay. They can leave the parcel or whatever it is. Here we go. Here's our last word. No. Here's our last word. So we've got this word. This is a bit like rain, but it's when there's really, really hard bits of ice. They're like little balls of ice that fall out of the clouds. It starts with a h. Starts with a h sound. So it's one of our keywords. It's got 4 letters. Starts with a h. And it's a bit like rain, but it's balls of ice that come out of the cloud. Let's have a little look. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What are we saying?
Hail.
Hail. Brilliant stuff. Well done. Hail. Yeah, good. So hail, when hail comes out of a cloud, it's a bit like rain, but it's really hard balls of ice. Ouch, that sort of thing. Well done, guys. Okay, so we've had a good look at our keywords. We know what they mean. So we're going to have a little go at doing our reading now. So we are looking out for these 2 sounds. So we're looking out for A and I. Okay, so grab yourself a pen. And we're going to have a little go at circling. Now this is number 2 in your resource pack. So we're going for A and I. A and I. Okay. So each time we hear a sound, we're going to circle it. Here we go. A thunderstorm might have rain or hail in it. So a thunderstorm might have rain or hail in it. Okay. Once more then, a thunderstorm might have rain or hail in it. On your fingers, how many of our key sounds are in there? Can you show me how many are in that sentence? What are we saying? 3. So we've got might and rain and hail. Fantastic. So those are the words that we've got in there. Well done. So the words we've got in there are might, rain and hail. Fantastic. Well done. You might also see a bright light. You might also see a bright light. Okay, once more. You might also see a bright light. How many words have got our key sounds in there? Show me on your fingers. Ready? 3 again. Good. You might also see a bright light. Well done. Give yourself some points for that.
We've all got 21.
Yeah. This is called lightning. This is called lightning.
I can't see this. Oh, this.
This is called lightning.
22.
So we should hopefully, let's see how many on our fingers, how many are in that sentence, how many of our keywords have got a sound that we're looking for in there. Just one. Lightning. Well done. Which is hot. Next sentence then. Here we go, Alex. Ready? Thunder is the sound that lightning makes. Thunder is the sound that lightning makes.
23
Thunder is the sound that lightning makes. Show me on your fingers how many of our key sounds are in that sentence. How many of our keywords have got that key sound? Just one. Well done. In lightning again. Excellent. So you've got that I sound. Okay, last 2 sentences then. Here we go. When the air gets hot, it gets bigger and smaller again. When the air, now remember it's the sound A that we're after, not air, A. When the air gets hot, it gets bigger and smaller again. What do we reckon, Alex? Last one. When the air gets hot, it gets bigger and smaller again. What do we think? Show me on your fingers how many of our keywords in that sentence have got an A or an I sound. Just one. Well done. And it's the word again. Well done. So if we do something again, we've done it one more time. Okay, and here's our last sentence. This explains the sound. This explains the sound. This explains the sound. Look at that naughty card just creeping in there. Dear me. Show me on your fingers then how many in that last sentence have got an A or an I. Just one. Well done. The word explains. That is fantastic stuff, guys. Give yourself a point for that. So we've got in the rest of your resource pack. You've got some colouring to do and some maths, which is all to do with the clever clouds. And we've got a model of a thunderstorm that you can make maybe out of some cotton wool and some cardboard. So you've done a fantastic job today. So we will see you again tomorrow for some more exciting weather, extreme weather. And we will see you then. Happy homeschooling, guys. Well done. Bye.